Hi, good morning guys. We want to look at today another application of circular motion, and this is humpback bridges. I love this one because you are given speed limits when you approach humpback bridges, and they're clearly for safety reasons, but I've wondered whether or not they were to do with whether or not you took off from the bridge or not. So if you take a bridge at a particular speed in your car, it is possible for the wheels to leave the ground. So imagine the speed which you need to travel at to get this car to leave the ground. So obviously my car's already left the ground. It's got big wheels. Oh, it looks a bit like a person now. Never mind. Well, let's imagine that the car is travelling this way. Velocity is always in a straight line. And first of all, just imagine it just sitting on top of the bridge. Okay, there's the car. So we've got the weight force acting down and the normal contact force acting up. If it's travelling, then we can see that we have a centripetal force acting down, which is the weight force. Okay, and we remember from our previous video, we've got mv squared over r being our centripetal force, and r is clearly the radius of our bridge. Okay, so our resultant force, mv squared over r, is equal to the total of the forces acting. So we've got the weight force acting down, and we have our normal contact force acting upwards. So it's possible to use this idea to work out the takeoff speed that we'd need for the car to actually leave the bridge. So takeoff speed. Now think about it. What will the reaction force be on the top of the bridge? What will the force of the bridge on the car be if it's taking off? Yeah, so n will equal 0 when the car leaves the bridge. So we just supply that value back in here. So mv squared over r equals w, which equals mg. So if you know the mass of the car, you know the speed of the car, you know the radius. Well, if you know the radius, you can work out the speed if you know the mass. And our masses cancel. So we're left with v squared equals rg. V equals root rg. So next time you're out in a car, guys, give it a try.